All right, Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got another Gladiator. This is a 2021 Gladiator Sport. 5,000 miles on this one, clean Carfax, non-smoker. It's got some nice, tasteful upgrades. Got the XRC bumper up here with the lights and the winch. It's real nice. Poison Spider hood there. These are 38-inch tires on 20-inch wheels. They're DV8 off-road wheels. Got Falcon suspension lift. All this here. Infab steps. Move the spare tire to the back. Looks pretty cool. Just a nice clean Jeep. It's got the 7-inch screen in it, rear camera. Leather seats. This one is the V6. Let's open up the front here. Real nice and clean, still like new. Seats real nice. It does say Rubicon up there, but it's not a Rubicon, obviously. 3-piece hardtop. Does have the max tow package with the factory Dana 44-inch axles and 410 gears. Plenty of torque. Real nice Gladiator here. Money well spent. It's the right color. Give us a call, text, email. The website is rogersmotorcars.com. Love it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel here. That way you can catch all the cool stuff we get in. These walk around videos. You can follow us on Instagram also. We do a lot more there. It's Rogers_Motorcars. And if you follow us there, you'll get to see what we've got coming in the pipeline. Might be something you're looking for. We get all kinds of cars. New, old, classic, exotics, a little bit of everything. You just never know. Always looking for the hard to find stuff. Hope to hear from you soon.